everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I am super excited. Okay, I need to like mix up my intro. I say that every time, but I am always so excited. But today I am super duper excited because we have a brand new box to our channel, the Up Box. And stay tuned to the end of this video and you will find out about a big giveaway. This is a collaboration giveaway and there will be 5 winners. It's super exciting, so I can't wait to tell you all about it. But what we're gonna do first is learn a little bit more about what Up Box is, unbox the June box, and then we will get into all the giveaway details. So what is Up Box? As always, with any new subscription on our channel, I pull up their website so we can learn a little bit more about it before we open it. So let me see what their site says. So Up Box is box is available on Cratejoy, which is super cool. I absolutely adore Cratejoy. And it looks like they have a 25% off sale going on right now, so that's super awesome. So I'll leave all that information in the description box as well. But what Up Box is they say it's a monthly encouragement box. And they say it's for Christian women and it's packed with inspirational and self-care products. I've seen many unboxings of this in the past. A few of my friends get this box regularly and I really like it, and it's not like throwing religion in your face or anything like that. So it says it's like geared for Christian women, but I think anyone can honestly enjoy this. Me personally, I don't get into religion on my channel or anything like that, but I wouldn't identify as a religious person, but I can still enjoy this box and love the message behind it and all of that. So don't feel like if you are not Christian, you are excluded from this box. I think anyone who's spiritual or just loves subscription boxes and everything that comes in here, which we'll soon see, you can enjoy it too. So it's filled with inspirational and self-care products. So their description says, Up Box is encouragement in a box. We are passionately providing products with purpose to encourage every woman's spiritual self-care journey. We create monthly captivating Christian-themed boxes filled to the brim with handmade lifestyle goodies like candles, lotions, scrubs, bath soaps, makeup, jewelry, and more. So this, and then it lists more about what is in it and all of that. So I believe from watching other videos that it always comes in this box, which is super cute. I love orange, and it has like motivational, inspirational type words like dream, sparkle, relax, breathe, compassion, all of that. So super cute. And then over here you can see where it says Up Box. So let's see what's inside this month. So the theme for June is Bloom. And there's a sticker on the top that says it, so it looks like it's packaged really well. On the sticker it says, Bloom where you are planted. They will burst into bloom. Isaiah 35:2. Oh my gosh, is this like the most beautiful box presentation you have ever seen? I don't want to like tilt it over and spill everything out because you know I tend to do that, but this is so pretty. I hope you guys can tell. So there's like little things in here. What would these be called? Like decals that say Bloom on it. Super cute. Oh, and there's like little ones too. Oh my god, they're like scattered around perfectly and beautifully. This is so cute. So let me grab what's on top. I think these are like some cards. Let's see if these are like the information cards or what. So the first thing says Bloom where you are planted. And it looks like this is like the monthly theme card. So let me get this out. It says, welcome to your Bloom box. This refreshing and uplifting collection was inspired by the bloom season of late spring and early summer and was carefully curated to encourage and delight you. We based the theme for this book on Isaiah 35:2, they will burst into bloom. It is our prayer that you come to full bloom wherever you are currently planted along your faith's journey. Blooming is powerfully and wonderfully expressed through personal growth and spiritual development and through the way you touch and inspire the lives of those you engage with too. Through God's grace, we hope that this box encourages you to blossom and bloom. And then it says, these specialty accessories and lifestyle essentials are lovingly and thoughtfully crafted in the USA and are part of an encouragement movement that is impacting and changing lives throughout our global community. Cool. And it says XO the Upwards family. So super cute card, right? And then we have something, and then this is like the theme of the month. So I think this comes in every box. Like I watched Nikki, so their mom, open this before, and I think these are like 5x7 cards you can either like frame or do whatever you want with. Cool, and there is a card that says what comes in here. I love that when boxes do it. It says Spotlight on Featured Partners. The value is over $150. That's awesome. And I forgot to tell you guys the price. I told you guys there's a promo code, but I believe it is, if you get it like for a full year plan, you get it cheaper. So it's like $29.16 a month. But if you just pay monthly, it goes up to like $39.95 a month, I think. Let me double check right now. Yeah, $39.95 a month if you do monthly, but every time you pay like for 3, 6, or 12 months, the price goes down. So this is cool that it has a spotlight on certain partners like the Soap and Paper Factory and Natural Life, and then it talks about some of the items that come in it. Oh, and on the back it has even more, so there'll be stuff from these companies too. I won't get into all this, well, I'll keep this nearby in case you want to refer to it. And let's get unboxing. I'm so excited. This is such a beautiful presentation. So here's like a sticker, it looks like, that also says bloom where you were planted. And then, oh my god, this is so pretty. Is this like a little like wooden decor thing? What would be the right term for this? Oh my god, everything is just so cutely wrapped. So this says, this is by Grace Walking Designs, and they have an Etsy shop. This is so cute. I'm gonna put this over my house. It's just like a little wooden block that's painted and says bloom, and there's a pretty flower. This is so pretty. I love this. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm like, don't you want to take this box apart? Everything is so cute. So I don't know what this is, but something's packaged in here. And this is by Purposeful Indulgence, and I think this is something to like hold your keys. Let me get it out of the plastic. Yeah, this is so cute. I love floral design. I think I've said that a lot recently because I get like a lot of floral stuff, but I really love the design, and these colors are so me too. I love the pink and everything. This is so cute. I like this. And then here's like another little sticker that says bloom where God plants you. Oh man, what is this beautiful little thing? It says It's the Little Things. This is by Natural Life, and it just says it's a bag. I think this is like, is this something you hold like jewelry in or something? Isn't this so pretty, you guys? I wonder if this is like, could be good for travel. Let's open it and see. Okay, so they had something in there to help protect it. This is so cute. I think what I would use this for is like hold my earrings or maybe some necklaces, especially if I'm traveling. But this is so cute just to keep on your vanity. Oh my gosh. And it looks like someone like handmade this that is so talented. This is so pretty. I love this. All right, the next thing is by Shower Them with Gifts. Let's see what this is. This is like a dish towel, I think so. It says bloom where you are planted again. Oh my god, they really stick with their theme. You guys know I love that when boxes do it. This is so cute. I love stuff like this. Awesome. Oh, we got some more stickers. Oh my god, you guys, there's like these pretty little flower, like paper flowers throughout it. I want to keep these. These are like so cute. I don't know why I love these. Oh my gosh. Seriously, the packaging is so nice. Alright, next up is something by Natural Life. Oh cool, this is a phone pocket. It has a ring and adhesive back. And on it, it says, how to be happy, decide every morning that you are in a good mood. Oh, that's a great reminder. So it says, this fits most mobile phones, great for holding ID cards and credit cards. And it gives you instructions on how to stick it on the back of your phone, and there's something on the back to help hold it up. This is so cute. I like this a lot better. I like have like one of those, I'm blanking on the word right now, pop sockets on the back of mine. This is so cute. I like this more. I'm gonna change that eventually. Next up, oh, is this a koozie? Yes, well they say cozy sleeve. I don't know, in Chicago we say koozie. Today is going to be the best day ever. So you can use this to keep cold your coffee, soda, fraps, wine, or what I normally think of like beer with these, but that's a good idea actually. I never even thought to do that, like put on your iced coffee from like Starbucks or Dunkin'. And it says, today is going to be the best day ever. This is so cute. I'm totally gonna use this. I love it. Ooh, and next up, it looks like it's a hand cream. I love stuff like this, and the packaging is so cute. This is by Soap and Paper Factory. This has a scent of jasmine, citrus, and tuberose. How cute is this? Everything is just so cute. I'm obsessed. Let's put some on. I love hand lotion. And there's a safety seal. Ooh, this smells really nice. Oh, it smells floral, but like not too heavy. I love it. So cute too. Alright, next up, I think these are like little cards that say the like theme of the month, bloom where you're planted. Let me see though. Oh yeah, and there's like teeny little cute envelopes. How cute is that? And then on the back it says upwards encouragement to go. Oh, and these open. These are like little cards. You can use this to send like someone just a little cute note. Oh my god. I just love mini things, like mini envelopes, like mini cards. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So here's something else by Soap and Paper. This is so cutely wrapped. Oh my god. And this is the same scent of jasmine. I'm not gonna open this right now because I think it's so pretty. I want to keep it in the wrapping, like on display. I love it. And it smells the same. It smells so good. I love it. It's like never ending. There's more stuff. This is by Harrison Valley Soap Co. It says, "You are beautiful. Victorian Rose Dusting Powder." What's dusting powder? Is this for your face? Will you guys let me know how I can use this? Cool. Dusting powder. I like the sound of that. So we have several things remaining. It looks like we have more of those little cute cards that say bloom where you're planted, but it's a different design and color. I think those are just so adorable. And then we have something that's in this little thing that says Friends Forever. I think today that I'm filming this, I'm pre-filming, I think it's National Best Friends Day, so this is fitting. And it is like the cutest little case. What is this? Oh, there's like a little tray, like little, like trinket tray or whatever you call it. It says Friends Forever in it. Can you guys see? Here's the light's too reflective. And in the box it says to and then from. And look how cute this box is. This is adorable. I should give this to someone today. Or just keep it because it's so cute. But this is so adorable. Oh my god, I love the little box. So cute. And then what I think are the last three things are by Tosh Cosmetics. One is Jungleberry, one in Flower Girl, and one in Bloom. Let me open one up and see. Are these like glitters? Oh yeah, these are eye glitters. So I'm not gonna open them right now because it'll just make a mess all over my table probably because I'm not the most graceful person, but I'll do it like in the bathroom. So this is so cute. So Bloom is like a purple color. I don't know if you could tell when I was just showing you that. I've never heard of Tosh Cosmetics before. Have you guys? I'm excited to try this. So and then Jungleberry is like a bluish purple, like more like lilac. This is really cute. And then Flower Girl is obviously a more like pinkish red color. I don't have anything like these, so this is super exciting. I'll definitely try these out. Awesome. This was such a good box. I am so excited about everything. And you see what I mean? Like there's definitely like a theme of like spirituality and stuff in this, but it's not like in your face, and it's stuff everyone can enjoy and like the message everyone can take in and gain from. So I think this is so cute. I love it. All right, so now what you are all waiting for is the giveaway information. So I'm posting this video at the same time the giveaway is going live, and this giveaway is in conjunction with UpBox and several other ladies. Did I even say that right? I'm like so excited right now. So I'm gonna leave full details on how to enter and everything down below, but I wanna tell you exactly what you're gonna be winning and all of that. So this is open in the US only, and there'll be 5 winners, which I think is so cool. So the winner will win a super deluxe version of the Bloom box. So there'll be like over 30 items in the box. But I think it'll probably have stuff similar to this because it's going with the same like Bloom theme, like I said. And there'll also be a bonus gift card. I'm not positive, but I heard some talk about a Sephora card, so that might be possible. So yeah, there'll be the box with over 30 items, this box is already awesome, but can you imagine 30 items in it? So it's like the supersized version of what I opened today, and then a gift card, and this will be open for about a week. This will end on the 16th. So what you have to do, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and then go to the link down below and it will bring you over to Instagram, and that will give you full details on how to enter. It's super easy. You just have to like follow Upbox Me and several other ladies, including Southern Mom, Nikki here on YouTube. I'm gonna link her channel as well. A lot of you know she's like my best friend here. Love her, and she opens a lot of awesome boxes too, and she's who introduced me to Upbox. She is amazing. So I'm sure you guys all know who she is, but if you don't, go check her out. But yeah, so it's super easy. Just, you know, subscribe, like this video, and then head on over to Instagram and you can complete it there. And I am so excited for you guys because I love that there's 5 winners. That makes me so happy that you guys are going to be able to enjoy this amazing box and a gift card. So thank you, Upbox, for partnering with us to do this amazing giveaway. We are so excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. So definitely go do that and leave a comment down below. Let me know you entered and what you're most excited about. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. You know I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!